Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about our one-to-one Chromebook rollout for students grades 6 through 12. What this means is each student will be issued a Chromebook. Students will receive a Chromebook with a protective case as well as a charger. The Chromebooks will come to and from school each day, and the chargers will always remain at home. Here are some expectations for the Chromebooks. They must be brought to school every day and used for instructional purposes only. Chromebooks should be charged nightly at home. Power cords should never be brought to school. Students always need to handle the Chromebook with care. Personal labels, stickers, and other decorations on the Chromebooks are prohibited. And food and liquids should never be near the device. Many of you already have a Forsyth County School issued Chromebook at home. That's okay. We are going to collect those computers at a later date. Your student will still participate in the checkout system and receive a new Chromebook. Here are the distribution days for Chromebooks. On Tuesday, August 5th, that is the first day of school. On Wednesday, the 6th, ELA teachers will review the Chromebook rules in class. On Thursday, August 7th, we will have our main Chromebook distribution day. Chromebooks can only be issued after parents complete the parent portal paperwork. Please fill this out as soon as possible so your student is able to receive their Chromebook on Thursday. Parents and guardians will receive information at a later date on how they can monitor the Chromebook usage at home. You'll be able to set daily limits and restrictions, as well as pause the internet and many more other features. Please look out for this information at a later date. Purchasing insurance is highly recommended. It's $20 on school pay and covers most repairs. As you can see on this chart, Chromebook repairs are very costly, so I highly encourage the insurance. Thank you so much for your support as we work together to ensure that students have the devices needed to be successful at home and at school. If you have any questions, please reach out to your student's Pride teacher. Have a great evening.